Windows Metairie, Louisiana, offers a unique opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Custom bow windows. Metairie, LA are designed to provide a panoramic view, allowing more natural light into your living space. Metairie window specialists, LA, are skilled in creating energy-efficient bow windows. Metairie that not only beautify your home, but also help reduce energy costs. Window replacement. Metairie is a crucial service for homeowners looking to upgrade their residential window solutions. Metairie window contractors. Louisiana are experienced in providing top-notch window installation services. Metairie, LA, ensuring that your home windows are both stylish and functional. Whether you need window glass replacement Metairie, LA, or window frame repair Metairie, LA, Metairie Window Services have you covered. Bow Windows Metairie, LA is a popular choice for those seeking a modern and elegant look. Bow window styles Metairie, LA offer a variety of options to suit any home design. Decorative bow windows. Metairie, LA add a touch of sophistication, while bow window customization Metairie, LA allows you to tailor the design to your specific preferences. Metairie home windows. Louisiana are crafted with precision and care, ensuring long-lasting beauty and performance. Home window upgrades. Metairie, Louisiana are essential for maintaining the value and comfort of your property. Bow window repair services. Metairie are available to address any issues with your existing windows, ensuring they remain in optimal condition. Bow window maintenance. Metairie, Louisiana is a key aspect of preserving the integrity and appearance of your windows over time. Window renovation services Metairie, LA provide comprehensive solutions for updating your home's windows. Bow window experts Metairie, Louisiana are equipped to handle all aspects of window enhancement services. Metairie from design consultation to installation. Metairie, Louisiana bow windows experts are dedicated to delivering exceptional results that meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Window design consultation. Metairie is an invaluable service for homeowners looking to explore bow window options. Metairie, Louisiana. Metairie window specialists, LA offer personalized guidance to help you select the perfect window styles and features for your home. Window fitting services Metairie, Louisiana ensure a seamless installation process, resulting in a flawless finish. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for any homeowner. Energy-efficient bow windows. Metairie not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also enhance the comfort of your living space. Metairie home windows. Louisiana are designed with the latest technology to provide superior insulation and energy savings. Bow Windows Metairie is an essential service for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Metairie window contractors. Louisiana are skilled in addressing a wide range of repair needs, from minor adjustments to major overhauls. Window frame repair. Metairie, LA is crucial for ensuring the structural integrity of your windows, while window glass replacement Metairie, LA restores clarity and performance. Residential window solutions. Metairie offer a variety of options to suit any home style and budget. Bow window styles Metairie, LA range from traditional to contemporary, providing endless possibilities for customization. Bow window customization. Metairie, LA allows you to create a unique look that reflects your personal taste and complements your home's architecture.